Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this 2018 Jaguar F PACE. From any screen, that's the home screen. You see, we're at Orchard Close at the moment. It's telling you where you are, and you've got this circle with an arrow in it, which is the same as this button here. So you can get to it either through the home screen or from any other screen, just clicking this round button here. That's come onto the map. If it does that and you're wanting to program directions, you click the button again and it's asking you where to. Click where to, address, enter postcode, and then we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston. PR defaulted to numbers now, 5 4 J S. That's us. So PR54JS, click on it again, and there you go. It's giving you options. You save it. Is that what you want? Yes. And that's it. That's what we're missing. Play voice guidance prompts. So you need to get to that.
Now turn half left.
There you go. Just go back there. So the three buttons, sorry, the three dots, and then you can also knock it off should you get near home and not want any more instructions. Map heading, 3D heading up. That's, in my opinion, that's the best one. And you can also stop guidance there. So that's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.